These herbs are known for supporting skin elasticity and synthesis by providing antioxidants, silica, and vitamin C, helping combat aging signs, though diet, sleep, and sun protection are crucial too. Here are 7 herbs that promote collagen. Number 1. Gotu kola, tiger grass, promotes collagen synthesis, increases skin thickness, and improves density, aiding scar healing. Number 2. Ginseng, can increase collagen in the bloodstream and help prevent skin cell aging. Number 3. Turmeric, contains compounds that support skin elasticity and hydration. Number 4. Aloe vera. Oral intake has shown to nearly double collagen and hyaluronic acid levels in skin, improving hydration and wrinkles. Number 5. Horsetail. Rich in silica, a mineral essential for collagen formation, supporting skin strength. Number 6. Nettle. High in calcium, silica, and sulfur. It's used to boost collagen production and repair skin. Number 7. Hibiscus. High in vitamin C, it's vital for collagen synthesis, preventing elastin breakdown and reducing aging signs. Other helpful herbs and factors. Gynostemma, an adaptogenic, immortality herb with saponins and antioxidants. Hishuwu, calms the endocrine system and provides zinc for strong hair. Holistic approach, combine herbs with a balanced diet. Berries, garlic, leafy greens, hydration, sleep, and sun protection for best results.